Y'all get back here, you filthy... Oh, shucks, I'll find you. Y'all hear me? I'll find you.
We made it. Lord, I can't believe we made it.
Freedom!
Shh, cool it, boy. We ain't leave civilization yet. I'd say we walk out of the view of civilization for a bit till we find something to go along. Priority right now is finding some shelter, otherwise we won't even reach halfway.
Halfway relative to what?
Boy, you know what I mean. Let's get going.
We be going on an adventure, boys!
Alright, this seems like good shelter.
Barry, this is a bundle of branches and leaves.
This is our home! Nobody else's!
Can we sleep now? I'm tired.
Alright, let's sleep, boys.
Oh, for God's sake, get off of him! Skit! No, Skit!
Okay, did everyone have a good night's rest?
I was attacked in the middle of the night by a coyote.
I slept pretty well.
Oh no! It's a bean! Run!
No, I'm a conductor.
A conductor?
Yes, I got the escaped slaves along the Underground Railroad.
Underground Railroad? Oh, cool. Where's the train? My dogs are barking.
Oh, there's no train.
Oh, well, then where's the railroad we've got to follow?
There's no railroad, Sonny.
Is this Donald even underground, old man?
Nope.
Please guide us to where we need to go, sir. We are in need of food and shelter.
There's this song we've made up to help you on your way. When the sun comes back and the first quail calls, oh, the shrinking board.
Your singing's terrible.
The shrinking board?
Yes, but board is spelled with a U instead of an A.
Are you sure that's right?
Well, it's better than nothing, I guess.
Yes, now go forth, follow the shrinking board.
But what does that even mean?
I'm sure you'll figure it out.
I think that old man was full of crap and toilet sounds. My feet hurt.
Quit your complaining, boy. We gotta keep moving.
But we don't even know what a shrinking board is!
Quiet! You're gonna expose our location.
Guys?
Expose our location. Where even are we?
Guys?
We're far from that mentally sick man, that's where we are.
Fellas, by God, what is that thing?
Oh, Lord! What the...
Stop!
Jim, out of the way. We have to kill this thing.
He's not a vile creature, he's just misunderstood.
What?
What's your name, brother? I'm gonna call you Crimbo.
Don't name it. Now you're attached to him.
He's a person searching for freedom, just like us. Isn't that right, Crimbo?
Well, the moment he lunges at one of us, I'm crushing his skull with this here branch.
So, he's with us now.
Yes, he's with us now.
Yes! Come now, Crimbo! We have a big journey ahead of us! Hold on! I think Crimbo's hungry.
We're all hungry.
Settle down, it's fine. Everything will be fine.
This was a big waste of time. We're all gonna starve. So much for the Underground Railroad.
Oh, you guys are trying to go along the Underground Railroad?
Yeah?
Well, you are way off. Like, seriously, did the conductor sing the song or something?
Yeah, he said follow the shrinking board.
Follow the what?
The shrinking board.
I don't know what conductor guy y'all ran into, but it's not even remotely right. It's the drinking gourd.
Oh, but the Big Dipper!
Yes, oh my god, y'all are stupid. I'm pretty sure the nearest safe house is over yonder towards the drinking gourd. Just keep heading that way and you'll find it eventually.
Crimbo! Does the safe house provide nourishment?
Yeah.
Let's go on our way, boys! Onward!
Oh, thank the Lord.
Finally, a place to sleep. Come on in, brothers!
Whoa!